Hello, Miss Angel. My name is Kasha Askew, and I am here today to present to you my Make Your Own Job assignment, Medical Meetings and Events Incorporated. First, a little bit about me. I received my Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from Clayton State University, and I am working to complete my Master of Science in Management at Troy University. I'm currently employed as the Director of Membership and Education for a nonprofit medical specialty association, and I have over 12 years of experience in medical meeting planning. Here's an overview of our discussion. My big idea, mission and vision statement, external environment, internal resources, business level strategy, organizational design, and ethical consideration. What is Medical Meeting and Events Incorporated? Well, we plan events for medical associations. That includes event planning, site selection at hotels and conference centers, logistics including transportation of supplies and materials to and from conferences, accreditation for these events, and curriculum development. Our mission is to create meaningful and trustworthy education experiences for physicians and other medical providers. Our vision is to be recognized as the leading company for memorable learning experiences and delivery of quality continuing medical education activities for medical providers. Our SWOT analysis revealed many different strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. One of our strengths is that we're the only event company that specializes in medical society meetings. The knowledge and experience of our employees will help us to provide top-level event planning and management services. We do not have an established client base. However, we plan to work with other associations to create those relationships. Some medical associations will not have budgets that include the expense of hiring an outside company, but we will try to earn grants in order to make up for that cost for them. Opportunities are that we will specialize in green meetings. This is a very important area according to the Meeting Professionals International Association. We will help the curriculum to be posted on the web as opposed to print materials, and then we will also work with the hotels for green options during the conference. We'll utilize innovative software and technology to enhance the meeting experience as well. There are other event companies available that are capable of planning these events, but none of them specialize in medical meetings specifically. We may encounter some barriers in gaining educational grants for these meetings due to the current trends in the market, but with our experience and relationships, we hope to break this barrier. In external environment analysis, we reviewed the environment as a possibility to create a barrier for our company. If an event is going to be held in a tropical location and there is a hurricane imminent, we would have to arrange for other possible locations or places for the meeting to be held. Economically, as I discussed in a previous slide, these companies may have budgetary restraints, or we may encounter some hiccups in gaining educational grants to support the conference. The legal factors we may encounter include the HR laws and laws of handling educational grants. We will abide by all of these laws and consult any legal action that we may need in order to make sure that we apply all of the necessary rules. Our internal resources include event management technologies such as online registration, on-site workstations, and event management software. Our experienced medical meeting planners will assist with contract negotiation, meeting management, planning of accredited education meetings. And our marketing team will be outstanding in providing online marketing for these events, as well as print marketing. Our business level strategy is focused differentiation strategy. We plan to offer unique features that fulfill the demands of a narrow market. This narrow market is the medical meetings market. The closest competitor we have discovered to our company is Meeting Expectations. Meeting Expectations currently plans meetings for all types of associations, whether it be CPAs or meeting planners. But they do not have the specialized training to plan medical meetings and to follow the rules and regulations that apply to medical meetings. This is our organizational design. I will serve as the CEO and owner. We will have a logistics department to handle the transportation of supplies and materials. Our sales and marketing team will include sales representatives and marketing experts for print and web. Our administration will include the human resources department, in which they will handle mostly hiring and firing and other internal issues. However, we'll hire an independent human resource company to handle all the benefits administration and payroll. We'll also have accounting in this department. The information technology department will include website developers for both our website and for the meeting websites. The company network support will also be driven out of this department, and the education portal support. Then the event planning department will employ experienced association meeting planners, as well as retired physicians and/or nurses who have experience in curriculum development and assisting those meeting planners with this task. Ethical considerations include jobs for the unemployed. Our company will be housed in Atlanta, Georgia, and will employ over 50 employees. Georgia is currently the leader in unemployment. Our unemployment rate is 9%. The jobs we will provide are for those in the hospitality industry. The hospitality industry happens to be the highest unemployed in the country. We'll provide on-the-job training, off-site training, and educational support for certifications. Certifications such as the CMP, Certified Meeting Planner, are typically granted by the Meeting Planners International Association. The threats we may encounter are the misuse of educational grants and the use of funds that are not in line with the standards of commercial support. The misuse of educational grants means that some of our employees may steal the grant money or may misappropriate those funds. And the use of the funds that are not in line with the standards of commercial support, for example, includes that the commercial support standards state that educational grants cannot be spent to educate providers on a specific product or service. So if you plan a medical meeting, you have to provide education that is non-biased and does not give an edge to any of these companies. Therefore, we must ensure that we follow those standards. I'd like to thank you for your time. I hope that you will consider funding my company. I can be reached at ksumter@troy.edu, and I look forward to hearing from you.